Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the MiniFootball token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you step by step everything that you have to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in those kinds of things, I really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, we're just going to head over to Trust Wallet to start this off. And once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to buy BNB or how to purchase BNB on an exchange and transfer it over to Trust Wallet. I'm going to have separate tutorials for those, and those tutorials will be linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things. But I'm going to assume that you guys already have your BNB inside of your Trust Wallet and that your BNB is inside of your Smart Chain wallet. If you guys don't know how to add the BNB to your Smart Chain wallet, just click on the BNB wallet, click on More, and click on Swap to Smart Chain. If your BNB is not in your Smart Chain wallet, it will not show up on Pancakeswap, so just make sure you have that in there. Anyhow, what we have to do now is add the contract address for the MiniFootball token to our Trust Wallet, and I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap for that, and that will be in the description as well as in the comment section as well. So if you just head over there, all we have to do now is get the contract address. So we just go down here beside contracts and click on this little copy button right beside Binance Smart Chain here. Once we have that done, we can go back over to Trust Wallet and open that up. In Trust Wallet, we can go to the top right corner of our screen. So we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then just go to the top search bar and paste that contract address in. We'll see Add Custom Token right here. So we're going to click on Add Custom Token. And we just have to change our network from the Ethereum network over to Binance Smart Chain. So just click on Smart Chain. And then we can paste the contract address in. And then everything else should automatically load in for us, like the name, symbol, and decimals. Once we have that, we can click on Save. And then we can head back to our main part of our wallet. And now all we have to do is head over to Pancakeswap to swap the tokens. So I'll have a link for Pancakeswap in the description as well as in the comment section. So you guys can just head over there and I'll show you guys what to do next. So once you're on Pancakeswap here, we just have to go to the top left corner of our screen where we see the three lines. Click on that and then just drop down this little trade drop down and then click on Exchange. Once we're on the exchange, we just want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the Connect Wallet button. Click on that. Then instead of clicking on Trust Wallet here, we're actually going to click on Wallet Connect. And then here it's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet. And you guys can choose MetaMask, Trust Wallet, doesn't matter. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on Trust Wallet. Then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet to connect our wallet to Pancakeswap. So we'll give this a second to load up. And then you guys will get this message right here asking you to connect your wallet to Pancakeswap so we can swap the tokens. So you just want to click on Connect for that. Then head back over to Pancakeswap. Once we're back on Pancakeswap right here, all we have to do to confirm our wallet's connected is we have to see that icon in the top right corner. So just make sure you see that icon in the top right corner, as well as your balance of BNB right above BNB. And again, if you don't see your balance of BNB here and you have BNB inside of your Trust Wallet, just make sure it's on the Smart Chain or in the Smart Chain wallet, sorry. And you could do that just by going to the More section in your BNB wallet and swapping to Smart Chain. Anyhow, all you have to do now is make sure your slippage tolerance is on 12% for this token. If 12% doesn't work, you could try a little bit higher, like 15, but majority of these tokens do work perfectly fine on 12%. So all you have to do is go to this little settings gear beside Exchange, and then right here, we could change our slippage tolerance to 12%, and then we could exit out. Once we have that done, we can click on Select a Currency and paste that same contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap right up in this top section. And then once we do that, we'll see the MiniFootball token right here. So we can click on Import, I understand, and import for that. Once that's done, we can decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the MiniFootball token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.2. I could type in 0.2, and then it will show me the amount of MiniFootball I get in exchange for my BNB. If I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and click on the insufficient BNB balance where it says that for me. For you, it should just be saying swap. Once you guys click on that swap button right there, it's going to show you a broken down version of the transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. If you guys are okay with that, you can click on swap one more time, and then you can head back over to your Trust Wallet. And then you'll see your MiniFootball token arrive in your Trust Wallet, usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you how to get the MiniFootball token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.